Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Truvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Roblox Arceus script crashing on your iPhone and Android devices. Lot of users to say Roblox Arceus versions 2.0.9 is script crashing on iPhone and Android device. Now the question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. In this video, I will show you Roblox Arceus versions 2.0. Keep crashing how to fix on your iPhone and Android devices. Now first of all, strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android devices. Now open the App Store and also Play Store in the Android. Now the top corner search bar, in search bar search the parallel space application. This application is available on the App Store and Play Store. So guys, please make sure easy to tap on it and also install on your iPhone and Android. Once the download is completed, now again open the parallel space applications from your iPhone and Android device. Once the open is these applications, after you can see also add options available. Now tap on the add apps. Now you can see also Roblox applications available. Now tap on it and bottom to select the add. In parallel space you can see also I already added Roblox applications on your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, this way too you can easily Roblox Arceus problem fix on your iPhone and Android. Now the second solution is Roblox Arceus versions 2.0.10 is available. Now please make sure latest versions to update these applications on your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem. Thank you so much.